guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dave and today we will be doing a review of a TWS here. This is the Lenovo HT38. So I did the unboxing of this a long time back. I'll put the link of that above. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. After I've done the unboxing, I got a request from a lot of people who wanted me to do a review of this. So this is for you guys. I will divide this video into sections for viewers convenience. So let's start with the build quality. It is made of plastic. Very lightweight. The charging case and the earphones together weighs only 28 grams, so this is a really good thing. Now let me show you around the case itself. So in the front we get the Lenovo branding. We have an LED here which shows the charge level. Coming to the bottom, there is that USB-C port here, and thankfully it's USB-C, not a micro USB. At the back we have this button here. So this is a quick pair button. Long pressing it will result in the case going into pairing mode, and short pressing it will show you the charge of this case itself. So when I do that, right now it's green. So green means it's fully charged. It turns also to yellow, which means the charge is around 50%, and when it turns red, it's like you have to charge it again. The charge is really low. Another thing I like about this is totally round. So when you close this, it's a perfect circle. That's really nice, easy to hold. It reminds me of a pebble. You can carry it in, put it in your pocket and just pocket. It's very lightweight. So let us open this and take this out. So reminds one of the Apple Airpods. I would say that is not necessarily a bad thing for the consumer. So you get a very expensive design in almost 1/3 of the price. It's totally copies the aesthetics of the AirPod. So let's have a look at an individual AirPod. So 13mm drivers inside. This is the outlet here. Good sound. And this black thing here, this is the mic. Actually, usually the rest of the AirPods has a small hole for that mic, but this actually has a big surface area, so it will help the earbuds pick up the noise around. So this has a really big mic inside, and this is actually all a net-like structure. This is completely perforated, so the sound can easily travel inside. I'm not sure if it's visible inside on the camera, but this is a really nice touch. Again, inspired by the AirPods. And at the bottom, these are the two charging pins here. And another thing copied from the AirPods is the touch surface area. So usually in the AirPods you have to squeeze it. There is actually a sensor there, but here, since this is not that expensive, this is a touch surface, so you can touch it and control your music. I will go into the entire controls later on in this video. Stay tuned for that. Let us now have a look at the technical specifications of this. This is made in China. The battery of the an individual earbud is 30 mAh, and the charging case is 250 mAh, so that's reasonably good. The playtime of this is approximately 3 hours when you're listening to music, but if you are on call, it will last you for around 4 hours on a single charge, and 12 hours total when along with the charging case. That is when you charge it. Thanks for the 200 mAh battery included in the case. Now the Bluetooth version that it uses is 5.0, not the latest one. The latest version out there is I think 5.2 or 5.3 right now. So this is a 2021 model. So let's now talk about the compatibility. This is compatible with Android, Apple and Windows. The speaker driver size is 13mm. That is quite big. It has dual channel transmission and can be used in single and double headset modes. So you can take out any one of those and use it as a single earbud. And you can open the box and directly pair the devices automatically. So you just need to flip open the lid and it will automatically be connected to the last paired device. Now coming to the mic, this is a built-in high definition microphone, and it has intelligent noise reduction that lets you to experience sound with clear treble and bass. So more on that later. We'll be doing a sound test of that, how it sounds, but that will be at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Now we come to the user experience. The fit of this is half in ear. So this part, the stem here, this stays outside your ear, and that goes half inside your ears. For that reason, it's very comfortable as it's a lightweight. The Bluetooth range of this is 10 meter, but that should be barrier free. That is, there should be no walls in between. It's quite reasonable. I put it in the room and I can just walk around in a big room, so it's completely fine. The connection strength is really good. The latency of that is not as low as compared to some other TWS out there, and not as good as advertised in the box. There is a slight lag, but it is low that eventually you won't even notice. So listening to music or watching videos is perfectly fine, but I would not recommend this for gaming purposes. Now coming to the controls, this is a lot of functions built into this. Let me show you. To increase the volume, you will have to double tap the right bud. To reduce the volume, you have to double tap the left bud. To answer an end call, you have to just short tap any bud, reject call, long tap any bud. And the next track, tap 3 times for the right bud. Previous track you'll have to tap 3 times the left bud. So there is a symmetry for that, left and right 3 times. So previous, next, things like that. Play, pause, single tap, short tap any of the bud, it will play or pause. And to call the smart assistant, you will have to short tap any bud 4 times. So yeah, a lot of taps. But what I like is they have actually put in the controls in there. So it's good to have it compared to not having it. So if someone wants to do that, tap it 4 times, yeah, you can do that, it's up to you. To power on or off, long hold any of the buds. So it also automatically shuts down. So while it is not connected with the phone, it will power off in 3 minutes to save the battery. It's a little bit different. Usually in the earbuds the touch controls are here, but as we saw, the touch controls for this is here. So that actually is good, as it prevents a lot of accidental taps or touches when you are putting it inside your ear or taking it out. So I like that about it. The sensor is it's okay, it is good. It registers your input 8 out of 10 times, so it is quite nice. Now is the time to do a mic test of this. I will connect it with my phone, and the next sound that you will hear of me will be coming through the mic of this earbuds. So I have connected the earbuds with my phone, and my voice that you are hearing right now is being recorded through the earbuds. Do let me know how it sounds to you. Let's talk about the sound quality of this. The bass is okay, the treble is really, the voices are exceptional. So if you're someone who listens to a lot of music either on YouTube or Spotify, or you see a lot of videos on Netflix or Amazon Prime, this is perfect for you. The sound that it comes from is very, very balanced. Coming to the conclusion of this video, would I recommend this? Definitely. All in all, this is a good pair of earbuds with good touch controls and good sound quality. But this is not, I will not recommend this for the bass heads. Bass is not that much, but it's, again, that is not necessarily a bad thing. The sound is very balanced. If you're someone who listens to podcasts, this is perfect for you. If you're someone who listens to music and you want to listen to the entire ranges, this is really good for you. Mid range of this is really good. The low ranges of this is again good. The highs are a little bit muddled, but all in all, if you are a casual listener, casual video watcher, I would say this is a very good earbud for you. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I will answer each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.